In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can force quit a full screen always on top program or game on Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing is you have to press Alt plus F4 together. Okay, so you have to press while you are on that window. You simply press Alt and F4 together. Okay, then for the next method is you have to get into the task manager by pressing Control, Shift, and Escape keys. Okay, and then you have to look for that program or for that game right here, and then simply make a right click, and then you have to select End Task. Okay, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.